Guys, welcome back to my channel. To my old and new subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. So in this video, I'm using this extension to create a passion twist hair for you to use for your passion twist. So this is extension. You can get it anywhere in the shop. So I'm just going to take it out to make it look nice and neat for me to choose for my twist. So just all you need is a straw. Just take a straw and roll it round the hair and bend it. Use a rubber band or bobby pin to secure your hair to the straw so that it will not fall off. So this is how you are going to secure your hair with the straw. Then after you must have secured your hair, just take the hair and twist it round the straw, just like so. So this is how you are going to do it. Just wash it. Maybe when you wash it, you will understand it more. So guys, here is how your passion twist is going to look like when you are done twisting it around the straw. So the next step now is to add some hot water to the straw so that it can help to define the coils. Also add some conditioner to make it look more soft and also beautiful. So that is how you are going to do this. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends, share it to them so that they can also learn and save some coins. With this 3-arrow extension, you can make your own passion twist that you will need to spend so much money to buy in the store. You can make it at home. So here is the conditioner that I'm going to add to it to make it look new and neat and also soft. Make it look soft, guys. So share this video so that your friends can also save some coins. Share it, share. So I'm just going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, then I will take it out. I'm going to show you how you can also remove the hair out of the straw. So now just take the straw up, and the rubber band is going to just leave on its own. Just gently pull out the hair, and here is your passion twist. Voila! So if you also want to separate it, it's also easy. Just be gentle so that you not scatter your coils. Just be gentle like that, and here is your passion twist. As you can see, so defined and beautiful. So guys, if you like this video, give me thumbs up, share it, save some money guys. This is the season to save money. If you love passion twist, you can just sit in your house and make yourself some passion twist for you to use for your twist. So if you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you are here, you are not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe. Help me move this ministry forward. We need more subscribers to this channel. Share this video, and also don't forget to like and share, comment. If you like this video, please don't forget to do that for me.